Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, January 19, 2021 on our channel. Second generation of FGAC chillers with low GWP refrigerant R454B. Cold chain compliance week. New Carrier Transicold Supra 1150 turns Timothy Taylor's truck into pub cellar on wheels. Carrier chillers and heat pumps available with R515B. Navac Incorporated names Ice-Kold as official repair center partner. Tippmann Innovation breaks ground on million cold storage facility in Hamilton. So, first news today. Second generation of FGAC chillers with low GWP refrigerant R454B. Redesigned units provide higher seasonal energy efficiency ratio (SEER) values, lower noise levels, compact footprints, and competitive cost levels at the same time. 1 year after the introduction of the alternative refrigerant Optin TM XL41, also known as R454B, into chiller and heat pump ranges with scroll compressors, Flake Group present the redesigned and improved second generation. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Cold Chain Compliance Week. Running from Tuesday 26 to Wednesday January 27, 2021, the event, which is set to focus on health and safety, legislative and food safety compliance challenges in the cold chain, will provide attendees with the opportunity to hear from live guest speakers from Food Storage and Distribution, BRCGS, British Standard Institution, BSI, Gold Freeze and Star Refrigeration amongst others. The Compliance Week conference will feature real-time discussions about areas of key focus for the sector post-Brexit, the F-gas regulations' latest updates, the COVID-19-led PPE increase, the food and safety regulations, and the newly released ISO for temperature-controlled distribution, as well as Q and AMP sessions. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. New Carrier Transicold Supra 1150 turns Timothy Taylor's truck into pub cellar on wheels. Timothy Taylor's Brewery has taken delivery of a new 32-ton DAF curtain-side rigid truck mounted with a Carrier Transicold Supra 1150 unit, ensuring its beer stays at optimal temperature during transport. The new vehicle continues a 20-year working relationship with the brewery, built on Carrier Transicold's ability to replicate the temperature and conditions of a pub cellar while on the road. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Carrier chillers and heat pumps available with R515B. Carrier offers water-cooled chillers and heat pumps operating on the new low global warming potential, GWP, refrigerant R515B, which provides a number of important benefits for end users. With an A1 safety classification, R515B is both non-flammable and non-toxic and has a GWP of less than 300, almost half the global warming impact of R513A, which has a GWP of 573. Carrier is part of Carrier Global Corporation, NYSE, CAR, a leading global provider of healthy, safe and sustainable building and cold chain solutions. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Navac Incorporated names Ice-Kold as official repair center partner. Navac, the world's largest supplier of HVAC vacuum pumps in addition to a wide array of tools, gauges, charging machines, recovery units and other industry-specific items, names Wisconsin-based Ice-Kold as its official repair center partner. Ice-Kold will handle repairs for the full portfolio of Navac's HVAC/R tools, which are designed to simplify and streamline the jobs of today's busy service technicians. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Tippmann Innovation breaks ground on million cold storage facility in Hamilton. Tippmann Innovation, T, a nationally recognized leader in the cold chain industry, is working with long-term partners Sierra Supply Chain Services and Penta Properties to build a state-of-the-art cold storage facility in Hamilton, Ontario. This building was developed with a focus on energy efficiency, advanced warehouse management, and value-add services to refrigerated food providers. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.